Hi all, today we have the Budan X7 fully automatic coffee machine set up here. Let's take a quick look what comes inside the box and then I'll walk you through the setup, usage and maintenance. Inside the box, you'll find the Budan X7, a detachable water tank, a milk frother attachment, a measuring spoon and the user manual. Make sure all components are clean and correctly placed before switching on the machine. Coming to the initial setup and first use of this machine. Place the machine on a flat surface. Take out the detachable water tank. Make sure you've rinsed it with clean water. Add fresh drinking water. Slide it back in. Fill in the bean hopper with some fresh coffee beans. Switch on the machine by long pressing. The machine will run an automatic cleaning cycle during its first use. Let this complete, and once it's finished, the machine is ready to brew. Once the machine is ready to brew, it comes to the main menu. The Budan X7 offers 16 different customizable beverage options, allowing you to prepare a wide range of drinks at one touch of a button. Use the control panel to select your preferred beverage, such as espresso, cappuccino, latte, americano and more. You can customize strength, milk and cup size based on your preference, while the machine handles grinding, brewing and extraction automatically. Coming to milk-based drinks. For milk-based beverages, ensure the milk frother is properly connected. You can use a container of your choice. I'll be using this container, filling it up with fresh milk. The machine automatically heats and froths milk and combines it with coffee for consistent cappuccinos, lattes or flat whites. Let's get to brewing coffee now. Take a cup of your choice. Put it beneath. The height of the brewer is adjustable and just select a beverage of your choice. I'm going to be making a cappuccino. In just under a minute, your creamy cafe-like cappuccino would be ready at home. Consistent and convenient every single time. Coming to cleaning and maintenance. The Budan X7 features mostly automatic cleaning cycles that prompt you whenever required. In addition to these cycles, empty and rinse the drip tray regularly. Clean the detachable parts such as the water tank, milk frother. Wipe the exterior of the machine with a soft damp cloth. Regular cleaning helps in maintain performance and ensures consistent coffee quality. The Budan X7 fully automatic coffee machine is designed for convenience, variety and everyday use. With multiple beverage options, one-touch brewing and easy maintenance, it's a great option for homes and small offices.